eyes. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Don't touch it. What is it, Ian?
Is it for brushing my nose? Can I see it?
Feel it. What is that?
The car?
Cars? What car?
Is it a different car?
I don't know. What do you want?
The car.
Yeah, but which car?
Is it golden laser?
You have two more guesses.
Lightning McQueen? No.
Yes, it's Lightning McQueen movie.
Yeah, yeah.
But what car?
Is it Thunder Hollow? Yes, it's Thunder Hollow. Is it? Is it Iron Man? No.
One more guess.
No.
He like.
It's the Drippy!
Open up.
It is. You can get. You know you can get. You know you can get Miss Spinner.
Hey.
He's so pumped up. Look at him. And look on his back. Look at Mr. Drippy. He says water here. He has 6 wheels. Look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And here is the water.
Where?
Here.
Oh.
And with 2 eyes and smiley face. He's happy. Look at him. He's a water truck. When Coot make him fall, he go whoa 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 whoa. You know he has a mustache.
Is that a mustache?
Yes. And this is his light. And look at the ear. And he has red and white here. Look at it. Remember he just whistled on Thunder Hollow? And this is the cover for the water, so the water will stay in the on the door and the mirror. The door and the mirror is like this. Now let's play with it. My dad is getting the Thunder Hollow so we can play with it. And the Dr. Danny, Abby, and Miss Twitter. We also need other small cars. So we need to mess everyone up on here. Toad, he's still watching, so he watch. Oh, here's Princess Valentine. She's like this. Avon, Chimichanga, with a filter, blind spots, APB, liability, taco, Paddy, Superfly, and this is Hit. This is Fresh Tail. This is Tailgate. This is a barrel, so you go around. This is Beal. a circle of Wookie. I call you Demolition and you Lemonade. I don't have any single that. I'm gonna fix that. You know the plane on the movie? They all crashed when they're racing. When they're racing, crashing. Let's go say rule number 1. The gate closes, you race. Rule number 2, last cars standing win. And rule number 3, no swearing. It's family night. Alright, everybody, let's go racing! Oh, look, guys, I'm here. Hi. I hope you enjoyed the review about Mr. Drippy. This is all his Thunder Horror collection. Looks like he is busy now playing. If you want to see how Ian plays with his Thunder Horror cars, don't forget to subscribe.